Hello everyone. Today we will introduce the product of 493 Solder Smoking Apparatus. In the process of soldering, toxic gases such as tin and lead will produce gases that are harmful to human body. 493 Solder Smoking Apparatus can suck these toxic gases away and protect the operator from them. This solder smoking apparatus can freely adjust the angle within 30 degrees, and the activated carbon filter inside can absorb almost all the toxic gases. This tool is easy to operate and has a stronger smoking ability. Here I will show you how to use it. First, we open the protective cover of the filter. Then install the activated carbon sponge. And then turn the knob to adjust the angle. Okay, that's all for how to use this tool. Thank you for your trust and support.